welcome back to my channel Taste of Teranga. So today we're making Michiou Chin, that means roasted lamb cooked in a pot. So for the ingredients, we will need some lamb, onion, potato for my french fries, some marinade with mustard, and mix it salt and pepper. Let's cook. Alright guys, so I add the mixed salt and black pepper in the lamb. So now I'm going to add a little bit oil. Mix it all together with my hand so it can soak really good. Okay, now I'm going to add the lamb in the pot. Add a little bit water. It's the marinade that I rinsed, and let it cook. Alright guys, y'all see how my meat is? So now I'm going to add the marinade and the onion. Alright, now it's time to add the onion. Our mechoui is ready now, so my favorite part, I'm serving. This is our Michiou Chin, roasted lamb cooked in a pot. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing recipes. Bye!